And what a great place to walk. Checking it out. So there's always a risk that she'll take off, but she was a wild cat once when I got her. So he loves places like this. Lake Dunstan. This is the northern end. Sunset. Beautiful. See, I've lost her already. But I've just got to trust that she'll turn up. She does turn up. She doesn't like the travelling in the van, but once we're here, she loves to explore. The trouble is she explores over a very, very wide area. She's even crossed State Highway 8 over there earlier on and up into the bush on the other side. I honestly wasn't sure she was going to come back after that one, but she did. An hour and a half later. Oh well, I don't know where she's going. Let's pause it. This campsite's called Bendigo, and it's free camping for 3 nights. So we'll be here for 3 nights. This is our first night, and as you can see, she's just roaming the whole area. Once a wildcat, always a wildcat, I guess. Those birds, the ducks are... Wow. They're walking on the water. They were. And she's going to the toilet. Out in the wild, you don't have to dig holes. So there's good toilet block. And Wi-Fi is provided. Can you believe it? Out in the countryside. State Highway 8, Tromulta Terrace. That's where the cat went over the road. Unbelievable. Bendigo. So she did follow me up there, but I went pretty quickly. It's a wisp of colour in the clouds. And here she comes. He always likes to look into rabbit holes. I'm afraid she's going to go in one and hide sometimes. It's good. We're going to go down to the water again. Well, I guess it doesn't get much more exciting than this. I'll pause it and I'll show you the campsite. So this is the camping area there, through there. So here we are. Got the washing done. The bed's made up. So it's a nighttime mode. It's a different configuration for cooking and stuff. Yeah, so this is it, this campsite. Not too many people in tonight, but it goes a long way. So it goes way down there, and you can get to the water that way. And you can get to the water this way, to all the way down the end there. There's a boat ramp. It looks like it's good swimming down there too, Shingle Beach. So go check that out tomorrow. So thanks for watching, guys. This is probably the nicest campsite I've had so far. The road's not too busy behind us. And I have to say, for some reason, comments are turned off on my channel. I can't seem to figure out how to get them back on again. So I'm working on it, but yeah, never mind. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Peace.